Welcome to the video lecture series on Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma. In this video, we will look through some practical simulated case studies and questions and answers on Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma improved phase. I also request you to watch my videos on Six Sigma. Without much delay, let's start this journey. As always, I am your instructor Gunjan Subedi and this is my Lean University, your freedom to professional learning. Before starting the topic, let me remind you that you can access the full course on Six Sigma through the link in the description. Please stay with me till the end of this video for solving the Six Sigma questions and link of some free resources. Let's take the first scenario. A company ABC wants to deploy Six Sigma in its organization. It wants to achieve the Six Sigma level of perfection to that of another main player and its competitor in the field XYZ. That means it wants to achieve the level of Six Sigma perfection equivalent or similar to XYZ. The company studies the process and management policies of the competitor properly before trying to make any improvements in its processes. What term could be best used to describe this approach? Is it copying the idea from competitor? Is it benchmarking the idea? Is it brainstorming the idea? Or is it analyzing the idea? So if it tries to take the idea from another company to make some progress, if it tries to learn from that progress making company, what could this approach be called? I'll give you some time to think. You can pause the video now. Okay, let me provide you the answer for this question. The correct answer for this question is benchmarking. Benchmarking means building quality by comparison and learning from the better. Benchmarking is not stealing. It is not copying. It just means setting some target by looking some better companies or some better processes. Let's look another scenario. A restaurant faces a frequent problem of overheating of the pizza. As a consequence, it wants to deploy an instrument that would automatically switch off the oven when the pizza is overcooked or to prevent the overheating. What kind of mistake-proofing approach is this? Your options are prevention, detection, and facilitation. So the basic principle behind this scenario is avoiding the mistake, which is also called mistake proofing or pokayoke in Japanese. So what kind of mistake proofing or pokayoke approach is this? Is it prevention, detection, or facilitation? I'll give you some time to think. You can pause the video now. Okay, let me share the correct answer to this question. The correct answer to this question is prevention pokayoke. As we know that there are three types of pokayoke or mistake-proofing approaches: prevention, detection, and facilitation. Prevention pokayoke helps in prevention of the mistake to occur. Detection pokayoke helps in detection of the error or possible places of the future errors. And facilitation pokayoke is used in making things easy so that the chance of making the errors is minimized. So in this case, the instrument is automatically switched off so that the pizza can be prevented from overcooking or overheating. So this is kind of prevention pokayoke. Let us look another scenario. Richard is a middle-aged businessman who says he rarely has time to lose his weight. He is suffering from increased cholesterol, diabetes, blood pressure, and he has heavy weight. He says he wants to exercise. He has even signed for the gym. but he loses the motivation to exercise and gym rather soon. So in this case, can he use the Kaizen approach? Yes or no? I just took this example because I want to let you know the core principle of Kaizen. You can pause the video now. Okay, let me reveal the answer. The correct answer to this question is yes, we can use Kaizen. Kaizen is not just for business operations management. It is the improvement philosophy for the personal life too. Kaizen just means continuous improvement or making rather small improvements but making it continuously. Making small improvements one at a time. If you try to make some big improvements, then chances are you might feel it rather difficult. You may not want to go to the gym. So with Kaizen approach, you make small improvements day by day. You might walk half kilometer one day and slowly try to increase the walking distance. You may then try to change your eating habits and sleeping habits, etc. So there could be various other approaches for this particular scenario. Let me take another scenario of Kaizen. Gunjan Brothers, which is a pharma company, is continuously facing problem with low yield of vaccine. The company learned a lot during the time of corona outbreak, but it still wants to improve the yield and also at the same time improve the whole supply chain. Can it use Kaizen? Yes or no? I'll give you some time to think, so you can pause the video now. For more lessons on Six Sigma, case studies and fun quizzes, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And also, please go through other related videos on Six Sigma. Also, please do not forget to go through the Six Sigma resources on the description. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video.